Honestly, one of the best fields of view in a modern diving mask, and a limited edition design to boot. Hi, all of you awesome scuba divers out there, welcome to the Scuba Diver Magazine channel, your favourite place for latest scuba diving news and gear reviews. Yes, 2026 marks Cressi's 80th anniversary, and they've produced a limited edition anniversary range of equipment called the Dive Yellow, with their classic Cressi yellow colouring running throughout, and this Z2 mask has some unique details to it. And it's honestly a lovely frameless mask with a good sized nose pocket and a huge front window to let plenty of light in. So this is how it arrives in an anniversary EVA case, a little like cardboard tag so you can hang it up in the shop. Obviously you're not going to need that. You've got a swivel clip to attach it onto things. That's surprisingly handy, either for like storage, so you can clip it onto some kind of mesh like me, or inside of your bag. You often have these little anchor points so that your mask doesn't rattle around. But yeah, you also have their signature dates on the front, which is cool. A limited edition like decal on the front, so like embossed, which is quite cool. Celebrate their 80 years, and Cressi on the reverse. Inside of the case, you get the mask itself. We'll take a closer look at that. You get a Cressi sticker to represent. You can stick that on something. A couple books of words just on the mask, and I imagine about their anniversary. So yeah, let's take a closer look at the mask itself. So the Z2 is a frameless mask, which basically means that the silicone skirt is bonded directly to the tempered glass lens, so no bulky plastic frames. Now that means that the glass can be closer to your eyes, both reducing the internal volume for less squeeze, easier clearing, and a wider field of view. The tempered glass lens is a huge single pane with corners matching your natural field of view up in the top corners and downwards as well, so you can check your gauges and your equipment. A very large nose pocket on the front has thinned areas either side of it so that you can get a good pinch, and it's also sized so that you actually don't see it when you're wearing the mask. You don't see that nose pocket in front of you. Either side of the mask you have pinch buckles that attach to the silicone of the mask skirt, so they fold down flat and they have plenty of flex and bend without the need for any hinges. Traditional one-way ratchet mechanism to tighten the mask strap, and then a pinch of these yellow buttons loosens that buckle gently. It's a nice and slow release, so it doesn't just jerk out the whole strap. If it's a touch too tight, then you can pinch those together and it can loosen it a bit instead of completely. The silicone strap is a pretty standard 17mm with a twin cradle at the back. Inside of the mask you'll see the double sealing surface that seals against your face, and the whole skirt has a cool kind of matte and then gloss detailing throughout it. My kind of mask, this. It's the best combination of a really large front window with a relatively low internal volume and a pretty small profile. One big feature that some will overlook is the larger than usual nose pocket, which, if you do struggle to find a mask that doesn't press against your nose, is a really nice feature to have. Who's the Z2 for? Any diver, really. Free divers will find it quite large compared to a lot of apnea masks, but for scuba divers, whether you're a beginner or a professional diver, the Z2 is a great mask for you. For more information and where to find your nearest Cressi dealer, then click on this link, or there's going to be the same link down in the description of this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel here on YouTube. Thank you for watching, everybody, and of course, safe diving.